first indoor plant is a palm tree. This is one of my favorite and easy to maintain. And this palm tree is the powerhouse when it comes to the removing toxins, and they are even non-toxic to the both dogs and cats. And you don't need to put lots of water. You just water once a week in summer, and in winter you can just water twice a week. And in the summer you can put a little bit of fertilizer, but it's not needed. I've got another plant, that's the devil Evie, and it's also called the money plant and POTHOS, and it grows very easily, and it grows in a soil and water and easy to maintain. And this is the one of the best air purifier plant. This plant helps to reduce the household toxins. Another air purifier plant is happy plant, and it's also called the DRACAENA, and it's quite big. It's like around 1.5 meters tall, and it's the plant needs really low maintenance. It's beautiful. MONSTERA'S plant is the fastest growing. When I got the small one, it was like this, and now this plant, within a year, it became really huge, and the plant has really beautiful leaves. You can see there's two types of leaf. One is round, it's not splitted, and the other one is, look at here, leaf, it's splitted. And when I got the smaller one, it was like this, and the leaf was like this, and now look at here, this one is going to split in a leaf. This plant doesn't need much care. You just water them once a week, that's enough. Beautiful air purifier indoor plant is Janet Craig, and it really grows very slow, and it needs really less water. You can water them twice a week. Finally, I've got the peace lily, and I think everyone got this plant in home. It's easily available, cheaper, and easy to maintain, and looks really nice. Great plant. It beautifies the year, and it's really beautiful with the flower, white flower. Like my videos, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for regular updates.